Hi, good morning from Electronica again. I've been joined this morning by Duncan from Adaptsys. Morning.
Morning.
How you getting on the show?
Okay, yeah, we're doing okay. I mean, it hasn't been as busy as past years, but
Yeah.
to be honest, we weren't expecting it to be with the state of the automotive market at the moment.
Right.
You know, numbers are down, so
Yeah.
it's okay. We've had some good conversations, but
Yeah.
still got 2 days to go. So.
Looking around today, though, it looks like it's picking up, and it's
Yeah.
only early, so
I think so. There's more people passing by, so
Yeah.
that's always a good sign. Yeah.
okay, excellent. Well, listen, you were talking to me earlier about a few things, and tell me first of all about your the process that you want to take to Asia to
Yep.
help service all your clients out that way.
Yeah, so we've been developing the market in Southeast Asia with our product, the Reflex Tape Forming System, and what's become apparent quite quickly is that at the moment we process the material, so we have flat input material that goes
Yeah.
into our system before it's then thermoformed into carrier tape, and we process that material in the UK at our manufacturing facility in the UK.
Right.
The problem there lies is we've got customers in Asia, throughout
Yeah.
Asia, and we're sourcing some of our material from Asia. So it doesn't make any sense to ship the product out to the UK, process it, and then back to Asia again.
Yeah.
So we're getting quite close to finalising terms on a facility in Asia, which means we can process the material there, and we can avoid the lengthy lead times that we're having to use at the moment because of the shipping times to and from. I mean, it also has other benefits in that we can move material in more quickly. We don't need to hold as much stock. So
Yeah.
there's a few sort of benefits to bringing it to Asia, but we're getting quite close now.
Yeah.
to
What sort of timescale do you think that you're going to be before you do that?
We would hope probably by Q2 in 2025
Right.
it should be up and running. That's our focus at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, it seems achievable, so I think it's
Excellent.
quite realistic.
Okay, brilliant. And also, you were telling me that you just recently done an exhibition in India.
Yeah, we have. Yeah,
How did that go for you?
it was interesting. It was
Right.
quite chaotic, but
Whereabouts was it?
good. It was New Delhi, so just
okay.
Greater Noida,
Right.
New Delhi, so about
Okay.
an hour out. And,
Yeah.
it was a really good show. It was Semicon India, and because of the nature of the market there, it's quite exciting because there's loads of investment going into India for semiconductors.
Yeah.
And because of the system that we have and what it does, and it manufactures the carrier tape, so it's used heavily in the semiconductor market. We obviously wanted to be part of that. So
Yeah.
we went to the show. It was really busy. We had lots of really interesting conversations, and since September, since we came back, we've had a number of continued meetings, and we've got some trials set up for the system to go into some of the big semiconductor manufacturers in Asia, in India, so we can hopefully get in early whilst they're still building these facilities.
Yeah.
It's been quite good. It's been interesting.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
That was worth the journey then.
I think so. Yeah. I think it was. It was. It's quite an eye opener because of the nature of India. It was quite. It was just really busy. Everything was busy.
Yeah.
The whole nature of it was really busy. But there's definitely a real buzz in the Indian market.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, well, good luck with that next year as well then,
Yeah,
by the sound of
yeah,
it. You're
yeah,
going to be very bit. Sounds
think
like you're
so.
going to have a very busy year.
Yeah. I think so.
So what are you actually doing at the show this year? What are you showing on your stand?
Well, we've obviously got our Reflex system on the stand, feeding
Right.
into a VTech taping system.
Yeah.
And that's the Adaptsys product.
Yeah.
But we're also partnering with Checksum, who manufacture and support board test systems.
Right,
So
okay.
automated board test systems. They've got a new system at the show, the X2, which is proving to be quite an eye catcher for people
Okay.
passing by. So that's been good.
Yeah.
And we also have BPM Microsystems, a partner of ours for 20 years now,
Right.
who have their automated programming system, the 310 on the booth. And again, I mean, they've got a pretty steady stream of people coming by to see it.
Excellent.
So overall, I think that the show is going okay for us. We're just hopeful for the next couple of days we're going to begin to see a few more people coming in.
Excellent. Well, I'm sure you will, because it looks like it's getting busier already,
so,
I won't keep you for much longer.
Okay, yeah. Cheers,
Thanks very
Andy.
much for your time,
Yeah.
Duncan, and good luck with everything for next year.
Good to see you.
All the best. Cheers.